Good evening. Tonight, we talk about a seismic shift in the world of Formula One, a decision that has sent shockwaves across the racing circuit and captivated millions of fans worldwide. Lewis Hamilton, a name synonymous with speed, dominance, and 7 world championship titles, is leaving Mercedes. And where is he headed? To Ferrari, the iconic prancing horse team. This is more than just a career move, it's a bold statement. But why did Hamilton, who built a legacy with Mercedes, choose to make this move? What does it mean for the sport, his fans, and his future? Let's break it down step by step. Who is Lewis Hamilton? Let's start with the basics for those who are not Formula One buffs. Lewis Hamilton is one of the greatest drivers in the history of motorsport. Born in England, he rose from humble beginnings to dominate the world's most elite racing series. With 7 world titles, 103 Grand Prix wins, and countless pole positions, Hamilton is a legend in his own right. He is known not just for his speed and skill, but also for his charisma, activism, and larger-than-life persona. For the past decade, Hamilton has been synonymous with Mercedes-AMG Petronas Formula One team. Together, they have won 6 world championships, redefining what dominance looks like in Formula One. But now, after 11 seasons, Hamilton has decided to part ways with the team that shaped his golden era. The question on everyone's mind is, why? Why leave Mercedes, a team that gave Hamilton unprecedented success? Let's look at the possible reasons. First, there's the performance factor. Mercedes has been struggling to regain its dominance. The 2022-2023 seasons were challenging for the team. They fell behind rivals like Red Bull Racing, whose star driver Max Verstappen clinched back-to-back championships. Mercedes' car, once the gold standard of Formula One engineering, hasn't been competitive enough lately. Second, Hamilton is 40 years old, a veteran in a sport that celebrates youth and agility. He knows time is running out if he wants to secure an elusive 8th World Championship, which could make him the greatest driver in the Formula One history. Perhaps he feels Ferrari offers a better shot at this historic milestone. And then there's the personal angle. Hamilton has always talked about chasing new challenges, stepping out of his comfort zone and leaving a lasting legacy. Joining Ferrari, arguably the most iconic team in the motorsport history, aligns with that vision. Why Ferrari? To understand Hamilton's move, we need to understand Ferrari's place in Formula One. Ferrari is not just a racing team. It's a symbol of prestige and tradition, founded in 1947 by Enzo Ferrari. The team holds a legendary status in motorsport. They have won more championships than any other team. But here's the twist. Ferrari hasn't won a title since 2008. For over a decade, they have been the sleeping giant of Formula One. So why Ferrari? First, they are improving. Ferrari has shown significant progress in recent years. Their current car is competitive and they have brought in new talent and innovative strategies to challenge their rivals. Second, Ferrari's appeal is timeless. Even drivers who have conquered the sport dream of driving for Ferrari. It's like playing for Real Madrid in football or wearing the New York Yankees pinstripes in baseball. For Hamilton, joining Ferrari is not just about racing. It's about being a part of something bigger than himself. Lastly, Ferrari is a team with ambition. They are hungry to reclaim their place at the top, and they have shown they are willing to invest heavily to make it happen. Pairing Hamilton with their rising star, Charles Leclerc, could create a formidable duo capable of challenging Red Bull. The risks involved. Of course, this move is not without any risk. Ferrari's track record in recent years has been inconsistent. They have struggled with car reliability, questionable strategy calls, and political turmoil within the team. By joining Ferrari, Hamilton is stepping into a high-pressure environment where expectations are sky high. There's also the matter of team dynamics. Charles Leclerc, Ferrari's current lead driver, is young, fast, and fiercely competitive. Will the two coexist happily, or will we see a battle for supremacy within the team? But Hamilton is no stranger to risk. Throughout his career, he's taken bold decisions that paid off, whether it was leaving McLaren for Mercedes in 2013 or pushing the limits of activism and sportsmanship on and off the track. What does this mean for Formula One? Hamilton's switch to Ferrari is a game changer for the sport. It injects fresh excitement into Formula One, shaking up the grid and creating new rivalries. Imagine the drama of Hamilton versus Verstappen in a Ferrari-Red Bull showdown. Imagine the strategy battles between Ferrari and Mercedes. This move has the potential to redefine the sports narrative for years to come. It's also a commercial coup. Hamilton's star power combined with Ferrari's brand appeal could attract new fans, sponsors, and media attention. Formula One has been growing in popularity worldwide, and this blockbuster move only adds fuel to the fire. For now, one thing is certain: Formula One has just become a lot more exciting. Stay tuned, because the 2025 season is shaping up to be one for the ages. This is Leena Lal signing off for now. Thank you for watching, and as always, stay curious.